Hello everyone, good morning, Namaskar, Suprabhat. As you are aware that we should do exercise on daily basis. Why it's required? Because if you wanna be healthy, if you wanna look fit, if you want disease should be far away from your body, then you need to do exercise on daily basis. That's what I'm doing and I do on daily. I know the benefits. After doing it, even you will feel. So, what would be my request today while doing this video? That you do exercise, you be fit, you look handsome. That's what I expect from you all. And today, like I just would like to highlight, guys, we do politics, but we should do the politics. We should not spoil our relationships, whether because we are human and we are the people of our this country, India, and we are the only people who distributed and divided in, like multiple political parties. Suppose you are supporting BJP, I am supporting someone else party, and someone else supporting someone else party. That should be the political, like view, which you can keep all together, which you can highlight your statement that no, you should not do this, you should implement this. You can oppose the government, but while opposing the government, we should also take care that you are not going to hurt anybody. You are not going to spoil your individual relationships. You are only the karyakarta, right? You are only doing the politics, right? Suppose you are going to, like doing any occasions in your family, make sure that everybody is coming to your, like home, like whom you have the relations. Even you do not hesitate while calling them. So that's what the theme of today, like while doing the videos. So my main, like theme is to not advise you, to only encourage you that you do exercise on daily basis, and the like benefits of the doing exercise, right? When you do it, you will feel comfortable, you will feel happy, you will look better, you will look handsome, you will be healthy. That's it all. Thank you.